Motorcyclists love the freedom of the road, but safety should always be a top priority. Here's a quick rundown of the common causes of motorcycle accidents. Number one, visibility issues or other drivers' errors. Motorcycles are small and can be easily overlooked by other drivers, especially at intersections. Accidents can happen when other drivers fail to see the motorcycle, misjudge its speed, or drive distracted. 2. Road hazards. Potholes, uneven road surfaces, slippery conditions, or debris can cause motorcyclists to lose control. Speeding. Excessive speed reduces reaction time and increases the severity of accidents. Number 4, lane splitting. Riding between lanes of slow-moving or stopped traffic is risky and can lead to collisions. 5, rider error or inexperienced riders. This includes speeding, lack of experience, poor judgment, and aggressive riding can result in poor decision-making in traffic situations. 6, vehicle malfunction. Mechanical failures like brake problems or tire blowouts can cause motorcycle collisions. 7, alcohol and drug use. Impaired riding dramatically increases the risk of accidents. Both motorcyclists and other drivers being under the influence of alcohols and drugs can cause accidents. Awareness is key. Ride safely, stay vigilant, and let's help to keep our roads safe for everyone.